Hello friend, welcome back to Toyota Maintenance YouTube channel. And this is 2001 Toyota 4Runner. It's a 4-wheel drive model and I'm performing complete transmission service on it. So I would like to share with you few important details about this. Here are some important facts to consider. For example, 2-wheel drive and 4-wheel drive models, they have completely different transmission oil pan and also the strainer inside, or you can call it filter, is different. So if you are ordering your parts, pay attention to that. Here you can perfectly see the removed oil pan with that dipstick tube, right, sticking out, and you can see why this procedure is pain. The Toyota was not using any gaskets, either cork or rubber, and they glue it on the body of transmission. So already to breaking that seal, it's kind of extra work and I will say pain. Also removing that pan, it's not easy because either part of the frame which supports the transmission or the sway bar are stopping you from dropping this pan. So you have to decide what you will remove in order to even drop this pan. So why to bother with all this extra work and not just replace the fluid and be done with it, right? Well, I had to consider the fact that the owner told me that the transmission service wasn't done forever. He couldn't even remember when it was done last time, and that made me to make decision that I have to replace the strainer. I wanna see what's the condition inside, right? How many shavings and what's happening. So that's why I'm going deep in. So let's go look from the close. The fluid, of course, was very dark and bad. And let's see if we have any disasters here, right? These are kind of large shavings. And they did float it in this corner because that was lowest before I removed that. Here you can see the 4 magnets. That's a standard which is on this 4-wheel drive. Once again, 2-wheel drive will have completely different situation. This is actually not good. There are bigger chunks. What is surprising that the transmission at this 217,000 miles works absolutely perfectly, shifts totally smooth and there are no problems. This was or is only preventative maintenance. Here you can actually see how nasty the transmission fluid is, right? That was inside. That definitely needed to be replaced. And of course these details which we can see here, I will enter in the comments and the video will be posted so the owner of the 4Runner can see for himself. But I will continue with this maintenance. I know these are large pieces, but as I said, this transmission at this moment works absolutely perfectly. So I will continue with this maintenance to glue it back, right? You are using that Toyota's seal packing, that FIPG, right? This is recommended. Also, the hint is when you are applying it on it, you have only 10 minutes. If you apply it around here, you have 10 minutes to slap it back on the transmission body. Otherwise, if you will let it sit, the function of it can be compromised and you can start from beginning again. And as I mentioned before, Toyota is not supplying the gasket, so I will actually in this case try this aftermarket supply, right? You can see the gasket has the holes for those 19 bolts, and this strainer is matching the one which is inside of the transmission, which I will show you in just a few seconds. And this is the 4-wheel drive automatic transmission, right, which we are talking about. The model is A340F. But let me show you finally underneath. I know you want to see this. This is important for you. So as I said, this is that strainer, right? Let me move the light also. Sorry for that. This is kind of pain. So it's the strainer, the valve body, right? It's still dripping. And basically that's like a very short view for you, right? Either that frame or this sway bar were in the way. So I decided to disconnect the sway bar and move it towards to the front of the vehicle, and that allowed me finally to drop that whole pan. Otherwise it was stuck there. And of course I would love to film it completely for you, but today from the time reasons I couldn't do that. So I just wanted to show you some highlights which are important to consider if you are doing service like this. Thank you very much for watching today, and make sure you subscribe. I have way more videos coming your way soon. See ya!